Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Monday, November 27, 2023. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says an additional $1 billion will be set aside to accelerate the issuing of land titles in the upcoming financial year. Mr. Holness made the announcement recently as he delivered 130 titles to recipients in St. Catherine. The beneficiaries are part of the National Land Agency's Systematic Land Registration Program, SLRP. The program assists landowners who have been in open, undisturbed, and undisputed possession of their land for 12 years or more to formally regularize ownership.
The ambition of this government is to have every Jamaican who owns or occupies a piece of land now go through the formal process to determine whether or not that can be legally ascribed a title of ownership. And that is what we are committing to do.
Mr. Holness says the Systematic Land Registration Program is on track to deliver the remaining 3,000 titles before 2025. Approximately 9,000 titles have been issued since 2021. According to the Prime Minister, the records show that there are approximately 300,000 unregistered parcels of land that are on the valuation roll. In other news, Cabinet has approved drafting instructions to amend legislation to provide prescriptive rights to advanced practice registered nurses, APRNs. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said the move will be facilitated by amendments to the Pharmacy and Nurses and Midwives Acts.
The amendments, Madam Speaker, to the Pharmacy Act will address this limitation, allowing family nurse practitioners and mental health psychiatric nurse practitioners in government health centers and at the University Hospital of the West Indies to prescribe approved pharmaceuticals. It is also important to highlight that regarding the nurse anesthetist, the ministry is not pursuing prescriptive authority at this time. Instead, the focus is on accommodating their licensure and registration under a legal framework, recognizing the advanced training and critical role they play in patient care.
Minister Tufton said the amendments will also seek to regulate the registration, licensure, and training of advanced practice registered nurses.
In many of our deep rural health centers, these are the only stable personnel and oftentimes have to administer care with some consultation, remote consultation, but nevertheless have the training to provide very good clinical assessment and diagnosis, and this additional authority will allow them to complete that cycle in a safe and patient-centric way.
Still on health, the donation of a state-of-the-art intensive care unit bed to the University Hospital of the West Indies has increased the technology capacity of the institution to provide patient care. The gift was delivered last week and is courtesy of Medical Link Limited and Lynette Group.
ICU bed will help us to monitor patients' vital signs and allow us to provide more efficient medical care. Our patients who require close monitoring and intensive treatment will be grateful that the University Hospital has friends and partners like Medical Link and Lynette. This gift fits our needs precisely. University Hospital typically handles most of the complex cases when other institutions can't manage them.
The premium high-end intensive care bed features a frame-based lateral tilt solution and smart care solution to help patients recover faster and reduce physical strain on medical personnel.
Lynette has found a way to pack a lot of technology in a bed because they have changed hospital beds from being furniture to hospital equipment. We consider this a medical device because this piece of equipment actually aids in patient recovery and patient care.
And finally, 10 children with scoliosis benefited from corrective spinal surgery at the Bustamante Hospital for Children recently. The operations were done by a medical team from the Straight Caribbean Spine Foundation, a United States-based charitable organization. Consultant orthopedic surgeon at the Bustamante Hospital, Dr. Saw, said the hospital is grateful for the support, which is free of cost to the patients. He also thanked the team of surgeons, the blood bank, and the local team who assisted with the surgeries. Over 250 patients have benefited from the work of the Straight Caribbean Spine Foundation, which has been partnering with the hospital for more than 20 years. Scoliosis is a sideways curve or abnormal S-shaped or C-shaped curve of the spine, which causes pain, numbness, and tingling. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.